This is an update from the Hügelkultur method raised bed video that I uploaded earlier. And currently, as I'm walking down the new stairs, wooden walkway that I built, we can see some new plants coming up. These were bulbs I planted for an orchid type flower, can't remember the exact name, that's supposed to bloom in the late summer, early fall. So this is how that bed turned out. I just wanted you all to see how it worked. And it flows right with the original old bed that was built with these huge railroad ties. The way the pine needles have fallen and plants have grown, you can hardly tell that this is two separate beds. And my wife and I figured, should the old landscape, the old railroad ties, should they break down anymore and fall apart, it doesn't matter. They'll just turn this bed in, not to be in a divided bed, but to be one large bed. So that's it on the update on the smaller Hügelkultur based bed.